Hey there, winos. This is Vince.Wine, and today I'm hanging out here at Grocery Outlet. I've got an opportunity to go inside, check out their wine section. Big thanks to Joe for letting us do that today. Let's go see what they've got to offer, and I'm going to show you how to buy wine at Grocery Outlet on today's How to Wine. Wow, this is a really cool section of wine here. There's a lot more than I expected in this sort of mini outlet here, but let's check out how they have some of the wine organized. Cool, so it looks like they have some of the top varietals posted along the walls here. So I just want to check out what they've got to offer in each of the varietals. Let's start over here with Cab. Pretty cool. Come check out these price points here. It looks like the top ones are going to be within about the $25 price range right here, and then starts to come down to maybe about the $20 price range. Most of what they have seems to be in this $20 price range here, and as you go down, we get all the way down to even $5 to even $3 for a Cab. So that's actually kind of exciting that there's such a grand selection of really economically priced wines. Okay, something that I recognize right away, we've got Sterling over here. So Sterling is probably, for me, one of the more recognizable brands that I see. It's a 2017 Cab, and this one goes under the $6 price range. So again, I'm not looking for something that's gonna blow me out of the water, but I'm willing to bet. I know that Sterling is a producer that's gonna make a quality product, so I expect this could be pretty cool for the price. Awesome, here's another one. Check out this price range right here. This is Beringer Merlot for $5. That is super exciting because again, I know that this is gonna be a really quality producer for that price range. Pretty interesting. Yes, I'm hanging on to my Sterling Cab. I think I'm gonna take this one home. Check this one out over here. This is Smoking Loon. When I first started drinking wine, Smoking Loon was one of my favorites. It's just really, really rich, and I want to do a video at some point where I revisit all of the wines that I used to love when I first started drinking wine. But for now, we'll stick to what we're doing today. Kind of feels like no matter who you are, where you are, even if you're a winery, you have to make a Zinfandel. It's just sort of like the in thing right now, so I'm not surprised to see this here, but we're gonna skip to some other varietals. Yeah, so Pinot Noir is definitely going to be another of the biggest varietals that they're going to be carrying here. So I don't see too many that, again, I recognize. Kind of cool to see. This looks like it is actually Burgundy. So that is really, really cool. I may just snag one of these. This one is, looks like it's in the $10 price range here, so that's actually not bad. And as we come down over here, I do see they do have another Sterling, and it's about that $7 price range here. So I already picked up a Sterling today, so I'm probably not going to be this one, but excited to see an actual French Burgundy here, Pinot Noir, again in that kind of $10-$20 price range. It's kind of exciting. Let's check out its quality level. So they have, for their whites, they've got the Chardonnay, they've got the Sauvignon Blanc, and it looks like they've even got a nice little sparkling section in the back. So a nice buttery Chardonnay or a nice crisp stainless steel Chardonnay. Certainly I love it, but it's not something I think I'm going to pick up today. As we come down here, all right, here we go. They've got some kind of exciting New Zealand Sauvignon Blancs here. So this is Marlborough right here, and here again we've got that sort of $6 price range. So kind of nice, kind of exciting. One thing that I've realized here is that they're definitely picking up wines from the really popular wine growing regions. So it's not just Cab, you know, from some random place. It's Napa Cab. It's not just Pinot Noir from some, you know, California, Monterey. No, it's Burgundy. And here it's not just Sauvignon Blanc from sort of local, even though they do carry local, but it's also Marlborough, New Zealand. That's really exciting that they are paying attention to extremely popular wine regions and still giving you such a great deal on price. Yeah, pretty cool. Same thing here. Once again, for the sparkling wine section, you do have California-made sparkling wine, but again, you've got, you know, imported Prosecco, other wine-growing regions as well, along with some really cool-looking stuff here. Like, I'm not really sure what this guy is here. Bijou. Yeah, this is a California-style sparkling rosé. Really pretty. I'm definitely tempted to pick it up, but even with such great prices, I can't go overboard. their goodies are pretty Gouda. Check this out, they've got some really great cheeses here. There's a whole nashi section here. Really cool. Check out some more of these desserts over here too. We've got all these really great chocolates. We've got espresso chocolate here, super dark chocolate, so really wine-friendly sort of nashi kind of stuff. Pretty exciting. Okay, York Creek, I'm pretty familiar with them, so we've got some ports here and some sweet wines. So there's a small little sweet wine section as well. Last up, we've got some other reds here. Sherry, Marsala, just some sort of different wine-related beverages. Ooh, check out this. We've got a really cool just wall of rosé here. Pretty cool. Let's check out one more spot. I just didn't get a chance to see what this is here. So they've got actually a little Bordeaux section, sort of a French wine section here. Come on in, you've got some Bordeaux here. You've got, even over here, you go into the Rhone and you get you get Hermitage, Crozes Hermitage. And again, check out these prices. It's only $20 for some of these really, really cool Bordeaux and French varietals. And then, of course, the beer. Okay, that was a lot of fun. I'm standing here in front of the nosh, and I got my noshes. Couldn't resist. But once again, big thanks to Joe for letting me hang out in Grocery Outlet and run amok looking at the wine section. I went a little crazy today. Let's go check out how these wines taste. Okay. Let's check out my goodies. So, went a little overboard here. Cool, here is the New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc. And next up in my box of goodies here are Bourgogne, our Burgundy Pinot Noir. And here is my first find, our 2017 Cab Sauv Sterling. Okay, this was just a little gift. And of course, I couldn't resist my noshes. And lastly, this is something that management actually found as we were looking around. We couldn't resist. This is Maui Brewing Company Porter. And it's kind of cool because no matter where I go, I can't seem to find Maui Brewing Company. The real popular one is Kona Brewing Company, which is really good too, but I really prefer Maui Brewing Company. And I love porters and I love Hawaii. So one, I couldn't resist, and I'm really excited to give that a shot. Okay, and all of that for $65. I spent $64.89 on all of these goodies here. So I got 3 bottles of wine, I got a little 4-pack of beer, I got some nashi goodies, and I've got my Maui Brewing Company porter here, and all of that for $65. That's a really, really good steal. So Grocery Outlet, nice job. Let's crack some of this stuff open. Okay, so I just want to go through this quickly. I'm going to corv in some of these because I'm only one person and I can't drink that much as it might look like I can. We'll start with our white first. Granted, this is not chilled, but it's beautiful and very, very clean looking, very crisp looking. Oh, so much fruit. It is an explosion of white and citrus fruits. Oh, clean, crisp, delicious. This one's excellent. All right, let's hit the Burgundy. Kind of what I was really hoping for, this really light, beautiful color on the Burgundy here. Really, really pretty, sort of ruby red with low concentration. That's exactly what I was hoping for. And yeah, you definitely get that nice sort of rustic French smell in there. Okay, it doesn't explode from the glass, but still French. At the end of the day, it's a well-made wine. It's super low in complexity, so this one was about $10, and that's about right for what I'm getting here. Not a bad wine. Cool, last up, let's check out the Sterling Cab. So when I first started drinking wine, I really did like Sterling quite a bit, and I still do like them. They're a nice sort of like non-committal wine to drink. And like I said, I would love to do a video. Let me know if you'd like to see that in the comments, just sort of revisiting wines that I used to really like and seeing that now that my palate has evolved, if it's something that I would still be interested in today. Okay, much deeper color there, really nice concentration, even some staining here on the glass, some nice thick legs going in there. So I really appreciate that. Let's take the nose. Oh, beautiful nose, actually, lots of smoke in there, sort of that, almost that sort of Napa volcanic soil. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this was $6, and that is so drinkable. This is an excellent wine just to crack open and not worry about a Tuesday night. You know, you just need a glass after work, and this is phenomenal. Excellent, excellent wine. You just can't beat it for the price. Well done, Grocery Outlet. That's Gouda. Well, there you have it. That was my wine haul from Grocery Outlet. I think we did pretty good here. That Sauvignon Blanc was killer, that Cab was killer, and I can't complain about the Burgundy either. It's a little lower quality than I would have hoped for, but still, I spent $65 and got just a huge haul today. I had a lot of fun in there. You know, the thing that stood out to me the most is how much of a selection there was. They had every single region in there. There was a Burgundy region, there was a Rhone region, there was a Bordeaux region, there was Chianti, there was Sherry if you want it, and then yeah, all of your sort of California regions with some pretty recognizable producers in there as well. So I'm super impressed by that, and again, with everything being kind of $20, $25 and under, this is someplace I'm definitely going to go back to for the best deals on the greatest wines. If you enjoyed what you saw here today, please leave me a like. That helps so much, and don't forget to share this video with your wine friends. And until next time, winos, drink safe and drink well. Couldn't resist.